Mommy wants to
Elsa and Carlos, let's look. Wait for me.
Elsa
and Carlos.
Hey. Elsa, look at Mary Ellen. Look.
Grandpa's going to be on the end of the pier. You wave at me.
All right,
Hey, when you get out, hey, Elsa.
Make sure you don't push any of these buttons because it'll turn us off or turn us on.
Hey, Elsa, when you get out there, wave at us, okay? Yeah, I know. You gotta get a let's walk out here. Walk out here with Grandma.
Bye. Bye, Elsa.
Look at that. You want to get one? Sure. Hey, I bet Opa's not so big surprise you want that. I know. Did you bring it? Yeah. Okay.
Why are you bringing jackets? Like, your mom's good. That's right. Especially on the water.
That's right. When you get out there on those boats and everything, honey, it gets too lit.
So when Grandma tells me to do something, I do it.
That's right. You listen to Grandma.
All right, Austin.
What are you doing? Where are you going?
Austin, what did you think? What did you think of it?
I think it was a little too scary, but it wasn't.
Yeah!